So I was a good mile and a half from the house when the truck decided to stop running. I quickly identified that the problem was no fuel getting into the carburetor. So I hiked back up to the house, grabbed a gallon of fuel and a bulb syringe, hiked back out to the truck, and what I would do is I would take that bulb syringe full of fuel and I'd fill the carburetor bowl full of fuel. Start the truck up, drive it until it ran out of gas, and then I just continued that about, I don't know, seemed like 20 times at least, probably more, of just filling the float bowl and running it dry until I got myself right outside the opening to the barn there. And then I just used the starter to crank it back into position, which of course killed the battery, or ran the battery down, I should say. But then we figured it out, so stay tuned. Here it goes. Here's the fix, and I hope you enjoy.
I put a piece of clear fuel line in here just for fun while I was cranking it, since I was by myself and I'm not getting any fuel out of here. I don't know if you can see the sediment bowl. I can't see even what the hell's on my screen. Sediment bowl's like right there. It's full of fuel. I'm just not getting fuel out to the other side of the pump, so not a biggie. I'll back this into the garage, or into the barn here, and pull the fuel pump off today, and if I need to rebuild it, take it back home, rebuild it, I'll do that. I love this. It has been a long time since I've had this kind of grease on my hand, which is grease of fun, not grease of necessity. Fuel pump came out like a champ. 2 bolts, 2 fuel lines, fuel in, fuel out, and remarkably it works quite well. I suspect there's debris. This sediment bowl is filthy, absolutely filthy, and that was probably way too close. But this pump is completely filthy. I can take this, because this runs on a cam right there. The cam is right there, and I was shooting fuel all the way out there. So yeah, unless I got a flat lobe on the cam, which is, I hope not, could be, but I hope not. I just think that this sediment bowl, something's going on with that. So I'm gonna take it up to the house, walk back up to the house, which is up there. I'm gonna pull this thing apart, clean it up real good, put it back, see what happens. Okay, we're gonna shoot this with the Contour because my Kodak is dead. I just put the fuel pump back in. It was a ton of crap in the screen, and I had to cut a new gasket for that float bowl. I put just temporarily, I put a piece of clear, this is fuel line, it's clear fuel line, just so I could see how well it pumps. I have a feeling I'm low on fuel as well, so it's probably not going to pick up too well, but let's, just for fun, make sure it's not a fluke, let's try the hand crank. It's a good running rig when the fuel pump's working. That's moving fuel. I have a feeling, like I said, I'm low on the tank. I'm gonna put about 5 gallons in, run to the stove. That's awesome. Very cool. Oh, I like it. I like it a lot. You know what, just for fun, let's do that again. Let me put you guys back on the window. I gotta lick this suction cup again. Oh, it's just nasty. Alright, let's try this. Yes! Okay, one more time. I'm just gonna keep doing it till I break my arm. That's cool. Very cool indeed. Hand crank works on the 46 Dodge truck. Oh yeah. Thanks for watching. See ya!